they have also, a section of them have also issued a statement. Is there a seeming drift, even as we speak in Azimio, whereby caused by this particular cabinet appointees?
I think let me start by adding my voice to what my two colleagues have said, that Azimio is intact. There hasn't been any offer by William Ruto to Azimio, and Azimio will in any case not accept any positions from this administration, because Azimio has already taken a position, and our position is with the people of Kenya, it's with the Gen Zs and the millennials who have paid the ultimate price, not positions from a failing regime. We will not join a sinking ship. For those who wish to join, it is their choice. That is not Azimio's position. And we want to say there were offers. If there was any offer made, then it was made to one of our constituent parties, ODM. And as to whether they have accepted it or not, to whether the nominees will accept it or not, you have asked about Oparanya, we leave it to their conscience. But our side is the side of the people of Kenya. That is where we stand. And we believe all the parties of Azimio who have met here today are intact and resolved in fighting for the people of Kenya. So that is our position.
In fact, the Secretary General of KANU, Mr. Anaina, was also around.
Yes, the Secretary General of KANU is around. The Chair, Gideon Moye, is with us. Martha Karua has been with us. She's in Kirinyaga today. But we are all together against this failed regime. We will not accept any positions. Thank you. Asante.